Good morning.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be completely different from what you guys are used to. So I bounce back between two pages on Instagram. It's called Othan's Homestead, and that's what we do. We have a small little homestead here in West Point, Utah, and today I'm out in my greenhouse to show you what it's all about. And plus, it is Earth Day. So I figured might as well. From seed to harvest, I love it. So I want to know, do you garden? Do you plant flowers? What do you do? Do you have a greenhouse? How long have you had a greenhouse? I started planting, I feel like in January in here, and some things have been doing really, really well. So that's exciting. And then also I have failed so many times at potatoes. It's like the easiest thing in the world, but they're actually finally growing. So thanks to Justin, he helps me. Because it's Earth Day, I just wanted to show you a little bit about myself and what I do on a daily basis other than teaching, answering questions that students might have. And then on top of all of that, I also work a full-time job. So let me just kind of show you what we have going on here. Yes, I am carrying. I have my belly band on with my Glock 43 fully loaded. I'll show you a little bit. And then I also am wearing We the People tactical leggings. They're super comfortable. And plus, like, you can have your knife on you. They're super comfortable. This is a size small. I ordered a medium and they just fell right off of my body. So a small will work. They're a little bit tight, but they fit comfortably, if that makes sense. So let me show you around the greenhouse. Let's go. We have carrots growing. I planted a whole bunch of zucchini squashes. I love them. I'm not sure if you do, but that's so good. Instead of spaghetti noodles, I replaced the noodles with zucchini noodles. So good, healthy for you. And then here's the potatoes that I was talking about. They're actually just grown in a container. We're trying this out. I tried them almost 2 years ago, and I just didn't water them enough, I think. Completely ruined them. Pepper plants. We have a hard time with pepper plants, so those guys are not doing very well. I have corn in here, and I'm going to show you a few tricks and tips that I have. All right, in here we have actually a green bean and then just peas, and we have some corn growing in here. We're going to plant those soon out there. And then we have some sweet peppers, some sweet banana peppers, lavender from last year. I'm trying to make it come back. Looks like it is, so that's nice. This is a raspberry bush, and then this right here is lemongrass. So I should cover it, but since it's in the greenhouse, I'm kind of experimenting with it to see if any seedlings will pop up. Basil, I need to go through and separate those because they're just like choking each other out. And then we also have some cilantro. And then over here, we have more carrots growing. And in that container, I have onions. We planted those like 3 days ago. But here's some more onions that I planted from seeds. This is a blueberry bush, not doing so good. And then here's the tips and tricks that I have for you. So let me show you. She wasn't doing so hot, so I brought her outside in the warmth of the greenhouse. And then parsley, and then we have our kale. Fun stuff. Okay, so here is a little trick. So the next time you go to your local nursery to go buy plants, here's something that you should look for to help you save some money. If you find, say you're looking for squash, right? And they come in a container like this. Find some with extra seedlings in them, because you're just going to pay, say it's $2 for this one, you're going to pay $2 for this one as well. It's just an extra bonus because you have extra seeds in there. So keep an eye out for those. It's like bargain shopper. We do that when we go to our local greenhouse just because we can. You know, we also do tell them that, well, there's 2 in here, but they still ring it up the same price as this one. So might as well. And honestly, if you want to start, your own garden, you can. Even if you are in an apartment living, you have a small balcony, it's still possible. Plant them in 5-gallon buckets. Go to the dollar store, get buckets that you can find that's deep enough, at least 6 to 7 inches, and plant. Just try it, because you never know. And honestly, it like helps your soul. so do that. I recommend doing that. Okay, and then seriously, this came from the grocery store, like this container itself, from mushrooms. And we bought some mushrooms, and I was like, why throw this away? I'm just gonna poke holes in the bottom and then plant onions in here. And look at this, check it out. Okay, and then this, I'm sure you guys know what this container came from. Salad. Yeah, we buy this spring salad, and it comes in these plastic containers. So instead of throwing them away, I try to reuse them. So from last year, we had a couple of Leatrice bulbs, and so I put them in here to see if that they would actually like germinate and start to grow. Nothing's happening yet, but I'm sure that it will soon. We're out in Utah, and it like snowed, and then it was 70 degrees, and then there was hail, and then it snowed again, and then it's raining today. So I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a film through the greenhouse. Yeah, it's because it's cold as hell outside. It's only, I'll show you. It's literally only 60 degrees here in the greenhouse. So I'm going to say it's like, what, 30, maybe 45 outside. I'm going to say 45. But this is what I love. I love to just come out here, have my morning coffee, and just hang out with my girls, which are my plants. And yes, I'm carrying still. It's comfortable, especially in leggings or sweats. But when it gets warmer, if you have a belly band, you will sweat your arse off because it's hot. So you will sweat, so just keep that in mind if you're looking for a belly band. You can also do a Kydex holster. Regardless, you're still going to sweat. Like, it is what it is. This is my kale, and Justin made these. These are super cute. I just love it. All right, so I want to know, do you have a garden, and while you're gardening, do you carry? Do you open carry? Do you conceal carry? I want to know. Put them in the comments below. And also, I will be doing a video on the bug out bag. That's coming up shortly. So happy Earth Day to all of you guys. Go plant a tree, start your own little garden, even if it's just a sunflower. Sunflowers are so easy to grow, and you can grow them on your balcony. So thank you for watching, because this means a lot to me to show you guys, my family, what I actually do behind the scenes. So there's all that. I hope you guys have a great day, and stay tuned for the next video. I'm sure you're going to love it. Have a great day. Stay safe. We'll see you next time. Bye.